Reaction. Marshall, radio talk show host and Fox News contributor, and Lars Larson, host of The Lars Larson Show. Lars, your reaction.
This is terrible for America, and the other dot we haven't connected is when these new plans are forced on people, as you pointed out from Ovik Roy's report, tens of millions of people watching their policy costs go up, even if they're working for a big employer, and watching what they get go down. What's it going to do to the economy? We were all worried when things like the Social Security tax increase came. Can you imagine what it's going to do to America's economy when tens of millions of families are losing additional $200, $300, $400 per month and getting less for it? This should make Americans very, very mad, and especially because we got a president who lied to us. We've previously impeached presidents for lying to us. I think this president deserves it as well.
Leslie?
Well, I think subordination of perjury on a witness stand is very different, Lars. Love your Halloween costume, by the way. It's scaring me a bit. But on this topic, it's terrible that that woman's husband died from such a terrible disease. And it's terrible that anybody feels they're being bullied by their insurance company, because it's not the government bullying them. I personally have seen for my family individually, each of us, the four of us, husband and two kids, our deductible increased from $500 to $750 before Obamacare was voted on, was signed into law. Insurance companies have done this. They will do this. And it's the insurance companies that are causing people to lose that grandfather status by increasing copays, by changing and increasing deductibles, and by dropping.
But let me stop you there. That's not true, because the reason they lose the grandfather status is because the HHS wrote regulations that basically said you lose grandfather status if you change essentially the first, period in the first sentence of your policy. I mean, it's very, very broad the way they wrote the way you'd lose it. Go ahead, Lars.
I won't disagree with how it's
Leslie, you are so wrong-headed on this. This change is being forced by the government. This government, Obamacare, instructs those insurance companies to add additional items to coverage that people did not choose to buy. When you add extra options onto anything, including insurance, it costs more money. You want to lay it at the feet of the insurance companies? They don't have any choice.
Yeah.
If you tell them to cover more things, it's going to cost more money.
Quick last word, Leslie.
I'll have to tell you, on my radio show, I ask people, and people listen from all sides that call in, and the experiences they have had so far when they've been shopping on the Affordable Care Act site, when they can. In California, our site works in this state. They find they're making a lot of savings, and many of these people are Republicans, Lars. They come from your side and we're against Obamacare.
All right. Thank you both so much. Keep posting your Obamacare stories.